Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna unbox and have first look at the Dezou Buds Z. So let's get started. So this is how the box looks like. The Dezou is a brand launched under Realme Tech Life, or you can also say it's a sub-brand of Realme. On the left we just have the branding, and onto the right it has its features quoted like 10mm dynamic bass boost driver, 16 hours of battery, 3.7 grams of weight, 88 ms of low latency, Bluetooth 5.0, ENC, etc. And onto the back we have pricing and some other details. The MRP quoted here is 2,999, although it's currently priced at 1,999 on Flipkart. Now let's open the box. Inside the box we have the user manual on how to pair and stuff. We have the charging cable and some extra ear tips. Now let's look at the main product itself. The product looks very compact and good to hold as well. It has an LED light at the front which shows the battery stats, like if it's charged or low on battery. Currently it's charged, so it's showing green light. As already mentioned, this is very compact. Now let's pair these buds with the phone. Initially, opening up the lid will go into the pairing mode. Now let's pair this. Yes, now they are connected. Now I'll take out these buds from the case. We have this protection case under this to stop it from charging. I'll remove this. Now this is how the buds looks like. These are very small in size and very lightweight. Now let's see how fast it connects to my device. It should connect to my device as soon as I open the lid, and should disconnect after I close the lid with buds inside the case. See, now these are connected and got disconnected after I closed the lid. So easy and convenient. Let's try this one more time. Yes, this works as expected. This TWS does look good, and nowhere it feels cheap considering its price. Now I also have the Realme Buds A2, so let's check them side by side. I know that the Buds A2 are priced pretty high compared to the Dezou one, but here I'm just comparing them physically. The Realme has a very shiny and glossy finish, while the Dezou one has the matte finish. Now let's look at the actual buds inside the case. The Realme has a longer stem while the Dezou is very small. Now let's put this back. Yeah, I feel the diesel sticks well into the case with those magnets. Now let's look at the app interface and the features offered. For that you need to install Realme Link app, and the buds has to be connected for changing the features and all. Here we can change the sound effects like bass, boost, class, dynamic and right. We have volume enhancer, gaming mode which changes the latency, auto answer function, and we have touch options like to play pause music and answer calls. We can also configure all this to the right earbud and left earbud. Comfort wise, these are very much comfortable as they are very lightweight, and the earbud design is such that it just slots into the ear. Coming to the sound quality, these are pretty decent for the price. The bass is boosted and the bass head's gonna like it for sure. It also has that bass boost option to further boost the bass. The mids and highs are decent, with that I mean they are above average. Overall the sound quality is good if you consider the price point. Coming to the battery backup is 16 hours with the case. With that, the buds can be charged up to 3 to 3.5 times the case. Okay, now that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.